In this video, you'll learn how to create a Binance account. By following these steps, you will be able to set up your account and begin trading on the platform. This guide will take you through the entire registration process, ensuring you understand each action clearly. Start by navigating to the Binance website or downloading the Binance app from your device's app store. Once you have the application open or the website loaded, look for the option labeled Register. This button is typically located prominently on the home page. By clicking Register, you will be directed to the account creation page. Next, you will be prompted to enter either your email address or phone number. Choose the option that you prefer for account recovery and notifications. After entering your email or phone number, create a secure password. Ensure that your password is strong, combining letters, numbers, and special characters, as this will help protect your account from unauthorized access. Once you have filled in your information, click the button to proceed. After this action, Binance will send a verification code to the email address or phone number you provided. Check your email inbox or SMS messages for this code. Enter the verification code into the provided field to verify your account. If additional identity verification is required, follow the on-screen instructions to complete this process. After successfully verifying your account, the next step is to secure your account further. It is advisable to enable two-factor authentication, often referred to as 2As. This adds an extra layer of security. You can usually find this option in follow the prompts to set up 2FA, which may involve scanning a QR code with an authentication app on your mobile device to unlock the full features of your Binance account. You may need to complete the Know Your Customer or KYC process. This typically requires submitting identification documents for verification. Be sure to check that all your documents meet the specified requirements. Completing KYC will enhance your account limits and access to various trading options. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.